Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for clams with black bean sauce. Here are all the ingredients you will need. You'll need 2 pounds of clams. I'm using Manila clams. 1 strand of either green onion or scallion. A mixture of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons of black bean sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, as much ginger as you prefer, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a dash of black pepper. Once you have all the ingredients ready, the first step is to make the sauce. You can add the ingredients directly in your cooking utensil, but for the purpose of this video, I'm adding it into a separate bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of the black bean sauce, the 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, the 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, the 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, the 1 tablespoon of sugar, a dash of black pepper, and a little bit of water to get a liquid consistency. Then mix it around until the ingredients dissolve. The next step is to fry the clams. In a wok or pan, add in some cooking oil along with the minced garlic. Once hot, add in all of the clams. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until you start to see the clams opening up. Once they open, add in the sauce that we made earlier. Mix it around. At this point, you'll notice the sauce has a liquid consistency, and what we want is a thick sauce. To get this, add the mixture we made, which consists of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Your sauce may vary, so add in more cornstarch until you get the preferred consistency. Then turn off the heat and add in all of the minced ginger for the smell. Lastly, add in the chopped green onions, and the clams are all ready to be served. And that's how you make clams with black bean sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by hitting the like button and consider subscribing for more cooking videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, now it's your turn to get cooking.